Say it one more time, Kyoto. Oh, I'm sorry, Devin. You did 7 times 5. I heard that, so it's now Kyoto. Say the whole thing. Excellent. Now, I need to make sure everyone is sitting the right way. That means we're slanting in our seats. Jadarius, let's make sure we're doing that. And I want someone to go ahead and read for us what today's objective is. Let's see, Anaya, go ahead.
The students will add and subtract phrases with like
denominators. Okay, raise your hand if you already know how to add and subtract fractions with like denominators. I think all of our hands should be up because we already made our big goal on this. We already, as a class, made our 80%. So today is just a review day. I think we're going to do a really good job because we are already experts at this. All right. Now, I have a lot of fun things lined up. I'm going to let you know what our plan is. We're going to start off with a little basketball game. We're going to get into a couple word problems with some videos. And we're going to end with a basketball game. So, hopefully, most of us are going to be able to participate. And that depends on our effort and our behavior. All right. So, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to need 2 volunteers right now. These 2 volunteers are each going to get 4 chances to make a basketball into a basket. 4 chances. And I'm going to call some people that I know have been participating, and we're doing what we asked during our stretch. So, let's get Devin, and let's get Jadarius. I know he was helping me out a lot. So, first, let's go ahead and get Devin. Come on up. We're going to use the bag. We've done this before. So, Devin, here's what we're going to do. You're going to stand right where you are. Go ahead and hold the ball. You are getting 4 chances. We're going to see how many out of 4 you were able to make. Okay? I'm going to hold it just like I did last time. You can go ahead. All right. So how many have you made so far?
1 out of
1 out of how many?
4.
Really?
1.
How many have you done so far?
1.
So you made 1 out of 1. The only person that should be talking right now is Devin because he's the one that's up here. All right. So how many have you made now, Devin?
None.
None? You did? You still made 1.
1 out of 2. Where did my ball go? Here you go, your ball is done.
Thank you. 1 out of 2. Very good. So we have the fraction. You said 1 half.
Right there.
All right. Let's not let that happen again. Excellent. What fraction of shots have you made now? 2 out of 3. Very good. And our very last one. Okay, so what's your final fraction of shots that you made, Devin?
3 out of 4.
3 out of 4. Excellent. So I'm going to go ahead and write that down on our board because our Promethean is not working. I need you to sit down. So Devin made 3/4 of his shots. We're going to get Jadarius and see if he can do any better. Very nice. What fraction have you made so far? 1 out of 1. What fraction? Very good. Uh-oh. What fraction now? Very good. 2 out of 4. Okay, so we have 2 different fractions. We have Devin's fraction. Devin, how much did you make?
3/4.
And Jadarius, how much did you make? 2/4. Okay. Can someone raise their hand and tell me who made more? Who has the bigger fraction right now? Brandon? Devin does. Can someone tell me how much more Devin has than Jadarius? And when you answer your question, make sure that you tell me what keyword you used to figure this answer out. Mandria?
Devin got 3/4, and Jadarius got 2/4.
Okay. So what do you have to do in order to answer my question? What was the word I said?
Half of 1.
And what's that a key word for? Okay. So we know we're going to subtract. And when I subtract, Mandria, what do I get?
1.
1 what?
4.
Very good. Can someone remind in with the numerator. Why is the denominator still 4? 4 minus 4 is 0. So why isn't it 1 over 0? Christine?
Because the numerator is supposed to stay the same, supposed to change the denominator.
Perfect. Other way around. Say the other way around. Because you said the numerator is supposed to stay the same. Which one is the numerator? The one on the top or the bottom?
The bottom?
The numerator has the U in it for up. The numerator is the top. So say it again the right way, because you had the right idea.
The denominator stays the same.
Perfect.
And the numerator is the same.
And that's just a rule. The denominator always stays the same. All right. So, like I said, after our little basketball game, we're going to get into a couple word problems. But first, let's just get back to the basics. Our basic addition of fraction. I think that Christopher already captured the most important thing that we need to know today, which is that the bottom, the denominator, stays the same. The numerator, it changes. So someone really quickly just add these for me. We should be very good at this. Diamond, go ahead. Say it again.
6. 5 and 6.
Okay, very good, because 2 plus 3 is, and the denominator
6.
is 6. It stays the same. And I would write it up there, but we know our board isn't working today. All right. This time, we aren't given numbers. We need to figure out, okay, what is my number, and then how do I add them? So someone tell me what my blue fraction represents. And Damien, I need your head up for a moment. No, I've heard from you, Andrea. Keenan, I haven't heard from you in a minute.
What's the what? What's the blue mean?
What fraction is it?